Hello folks, unboxing of Great Escape Games Dead Man's Hand. I've already cut the tape off. So we've got the rule book. I'll have a look at it in a second. This is the bundle that you get from North Star. I think you can get it direct from Great Escape Games as well, but don't hold me on that. So what you get the rule book, you get your 2 gangs, your lawmen and your outlaws, your card pack, 2 D10s, 2 D20s, nice. You get blacksmith shop, Dead Man Hand specific, so it's one of the tent city style ones with a tent behind it. Yeah, oh, you've got glasses wipes as well. I think that might be part of the material. Anyway, you get that, which is part of the stuff you get from Foreground. I've got another one here. I picked up the dry goods store as well, just to complement it. I have a couple. In this particular one, I've got also a bookmark voucher for 50% off the Down Under source book, which I'm probably going to take advantage for the Ned Kelly gang, obviously. There we go. And then you got the little card, what's inside this limited edition starter. You got card deck, counters here. You get your quick reference sheet built into the bottom of your box, which is handy. So it gives you action, your shooting, your weapons table, and your shooting results. And then on this side, take the cards. Imperial Metric. Let's have a look. Oh, it's basically the same. Yeah, the same. Let's just check that. So we've had a look at the dice. I'll put that in which way. It all fits together really nicely, to be honest. You've got your lawman first. On the back you've got a little story sort of thing. And your picture of what they look like painted up. So you've got a law specific card as well. MDF bases on these. Oh, shotgun's a bit, rifle sorry's a bit bent. A little bit of flash stuff needing to be tidied up on them, but so we've got. I think the composition's pretty much the same on all the gangs. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 with pistols, a leader, a shotgun guy, and a rifle guy. So that's the rifle guy, like I just said. I believe that's the leader. Shotgun guy. 2, 3. And your 4 with pistols. Little MDF bases as well, which I like. Put some sand or something on them. Now this is a bit out of the norm for my channel, obviously because I tend to do Hot Wheels and Gasland stuff. But I'm going to start doing more stuff like this on different games, because I definitely play. Well, I definitely don't really play, if I'm honest. I definitely model for other gangs. I definitely model other stuff. Like the Zona Alpha, model stuff for that, which is still die-cast, obviously, because the terrain I make is normally like bigger scale cars. But I also do. I also play The Walking Dead. I do play The Walking Dead. I'm probably going to pick up Blood Bowl, the new 2nd edition of Blood Bowl, purely because it looks ace. So expect to see a bit more. I'll still be doing custom stuff, like I've got some MDF terrain, some unpainted MDF terrain, printed up some 3D bits for Dead Man's Hand already. So, you get in your outlaws, 1, 2, 3, nice Mexican guy there, 4 pistols, a shotgun, a rifle, and an unarmed leader figure. That's what I'd class that probably as. I'd have to double check, but I'm pretty sure that is. 2, 3, 4 with pistols, or revolvers, should I say? And then you got your your rifleman, and your shotgun guy. And you got your specific card. Now, I actually don't know very much about the rule system for this game. I picked it up because it looks cool as hell. But I'm pretty sure with a deck of cards, there we go, yeah, it's basically, you each have a deck of cards, like a standard deck of cards. So I think the game, there's lots of card-based games like this. I think, is it Kriegspiel? Pretty sure that's what it's called. Anyway, so you have a certain hand of cards which you can play as you go. So you get different stuff. So Southern by Whiskey. I swap one of the opposing model's initiative card for another opposing model's initiative card. That's cool. Generate actions, turn them in immediately, loses any further actions. Play on one of your own models. It's about to be shot. All out of action results become under fire nerve tests. So you don't get shot. Yellow belly. Play on any model that suffers a nerve test. Dead eye shot. Play on one of your own models when you declare its actions for the turn. Any shots ignore the 2 hit penalties for substantial cover and for the opposing model's move actions. So you get your law cards, and you get obviously your outlaw cards as well. That bag's handy to have. Oops. And then the rule book, which is what most people are interested in, I suppose. When I first popped this out of the packaging earlier on, well, I popped the box open earlier on, I did like the fact that the rule book is a decent size, but it isn't super thick, so it seems that you could be able to, you're not got pages and pages and pages of, this is not quite going to fit in, but I'm not going to change the angle of my camera. So you get a quick reference sheet on the inside cover again. Contents. Good little bits of blurbs here. You get rich or you'll get dead. And there best be somewhere on here, you've yeed your last whore, because that's literally the funniest thing about pre-measuring. You make a single measurement prior to the model's activation. That's handy. Note on terrain. So yeah, just says we have purposely tried to keep things very simple so players may concentrate on the real engine of the game: initiative, the cards, and the shooting. So start the game, each player shuffles his deck and deals himself a number of cards face down. Constant use through the deck. You got discard pile, your initiative cards, get your action summary, move, aim, shoot, reload, and recover. Once every model has taken its actions, move all the move markers and draw a fresh card for your hand. If you've used one this turn. If one side needs to take a big nerve test, take it now. If your player's deck has it or will run out of cards, pick up the discarded pile, shuffle the deck. Then when both players are ready, draw the initial initiative card to start the next turn. So you got weapons table, so handy enough you've got a choice of weapons, being pistol, rifle, repeater, shotgun, and shotgun with 2 barrels. Or shooting with both barrels. Your shooting phase, obviously. You got your interruptions, your nerve tests, your hand-to-hand fighting rules, common cards, and then you got a bit about the cards. In all cases, decks will be made of a combination of gang-specific cards and common number cards. Gang-specific cards are the Jack, Queen, King, and Ace cards for the particular gang that the player is using. Common cards are the cards between 2 and 10 of any suit. All these cards are the same depending on number, not suit. A black or red joker is added to the deck depending on whether the gang are good guys or bad guys. These are then used to create the decks. These are half and full decks, and both are described below. That's cool. Then you've got a little outline on a couple of different cards. In fact, you've got an outline on all the cards, which is really handy, and the ins and outs of it. So if you're playing for the first time, that's dead handy. Is that just the Jack, Queen, King, Aces? Yeah, it's just the Jack, Queen, King, Aces, gang specific cards. That's fine. That gives you a little bit of an intro into that. Then you got your gang. At least half the gang must be armed with a pistol as their sole ranged weapon. So you can't go all rifles, all shotguns. But you can swap out from the standard four pistols, a shotgun and a rifle. So you could theoretically take a pistol off one of them, add another shotgun, add another rifle if you wanted to. And you've got your model profiles, so your weapons models allowed, hits, nerve, the shooting, hand, and the reputation points. Then you've got your basic law gang, sheriff, your marshal, your deputies, and your upstanding citizens, which would normally be like in a Western film like your posse, or sometimes in a Western film like your upstanding citizens would be your barman, or your hotel owner, etc., your cat house owner, within reason. And your outlaws, you've got your boss, your gunslinger, your dudes, or your varmints, and it gives you a number next to them, so how many you can actually take. So up to 2 may have shotguns, for example. The boss can have a pistol or a repeater. Pistol. So that's how that explains that. So 2 plus dudes, so you can take more dudes than gunslingers. Sometimes you can take more deputies than marshals. You can only take 1 marshal. You can take 1 gunslinger. Upstanding citizens, and you can have up to 2 varmints. Then you've got your cowboys, same thing again, desperados, and then you've got your scenes. From the look of it, because of the cards and the random to the cards, you can't math hammer it, so that's handy. You just pick your gang and set your gang out how you want to, and because of the randomness of the cards and the dice, it's very hard to be OP on it by the look of it. Then you've got some scenarios. The good, the lead, and the ugly. That's very good. The quick and the lead. And then for a few models more, lots of puns, for a few models more sets out on a very top road, main street, town, so you've got buildings. That's cool. Fistful of models. And you've got your epilogue and your markers. These markers come in a photocopy of Star Wars card. This page is available to download. What we've got here is, there's a few more of everything you've got here. Pretty sure that you can get these separately. Don't hold me on that. I'd have to double check. And then you've got, again, I like the fact that it's bookended with 2 quick reference sheets. 10 centimetre movement, 4 inches movement, just depends what measurement system you want to use. And then you've got some of the play testers and stuff. Great Escape Games. Yeah. So, value for money on that box, 40 quid. Well worth it, I think. I like how it packs away nice and small as well. And your gangs, once they're based, obviously, you wouldn't be putting them back in here. You could do, you've probably got room to fit them in. And you have to get on there and get the Down Under source book. And get Ned Kelly's gang, obviously. That fits in there, and I've been leaving that in there as well, out of the way. Yeah, so what can I say? Add-on wise, I didn't pick up any add-ons. I picked up well, actually that's a lie. I picked up a single add-on. There's other gangs available. There's also single characters. So I picked up this Jonah Hex character. And it says about specific cards. So this character has 2 specific cards to him. So this is a specific card, an ace specific card. And then he's got his little, the Scarred Man, reputation 7, twin pistols, 5 hits, 2. He's as fast as lightning. So you can replace a member of your gang with a special character. Which is always always fun. You can chop and change your gang to suit you then. And there's loads of add-ons. There's like Weird West stuff. There's some stuff with like monsters. Pretty sure I've seen a Doc Emmett Brown one as well. But yeah, that's it. It's a little quick 15-minute review. I think it's well worth the money. It's good for a little Christmas gift as well. I think 40 quid's fair for what you get. That's for sure. Next review I'll probably be doing would be on like unboxing, or probably on the new Blood Bowl. I think that'd be quite good to do. And there's a few out already, but everyone's opinion is different, isn't they? Anyway, speak to everyone next time.